Good morning, ma'am. My name is Aldrin Dave Diacinto of 33-A1-8, and today I will discuss all about arson cases. And the lesson objectives are define arson and explain the fire triangle. On my presentation, I will discuss also the nature of arson as a crime and the motives and reason for arson, the fire triangle and its components, the procedures for the collection of arson evidence, and last, the two elements of alleged arson in prosecution. What is arson? Arson as the willful and malicious burning of dwelling house of another. This made arson as a crime against the security of habitation, because loss of habitation could well cost the lives of its dwellers by exposures to weather or enemies. The most common motives for wildfire arson include crime concealment. Other examples include fire set destroy business records to conceal cases of embezzlement and the many cases of auto theft arson where the fire is said to destroy the evidence. The fire triangle or combustion triangle is the three components to ignite and sustain a fire. The three ingredients of fire triangle are heat, fuel, and oxygen. If just one of these components is removed, the fire triangle will collapse and the fire will be extinguished. A day in the life of fire and arson investigator, responding to and investigating fire scenes, writing reports, median annual salary, working closely with other law enforcement partners, identifying and collection evidence. The process of investigating arson. Step 1. Arrival at scene. Step 2. Evaluating the scene. Step 3. Documenting the scene. Step 4. Processing evidence. And Step 5. Completing the investigator. These are the steps for the collection of evidence in the arson. In all prosecution for arson, there are two elements of the alleged crime, which the prosecution must prove beyond a reasonable doubt. First, that the fire was caused by the willful criminal act of some person, and second, identity of defendant as the one responsible for the fire. Both of these elements may be established by direct or positive evidence or by circumstantial evidence or both.